let's go over the fifth and final um, question in the series. So, do you agree or disagree with the following statement? It's better to have one or two close friends than to have many casual friends. Use details and examples to support your answer. Sample answer. I completely agree that it's better to have one or two close friends. First, close friends offer real emotional support. For example, when I was stressed about my college exams, my best friend helped me stay calm and motivated. Second, close friendships are more trustworthy. I remember a time when I lost my phone and only a friend helped me contact people and get it back. Okay, so let's now go over the top four TOEFL speaking tips. Speak clearly and naturally. Don't rush. Yes, very important. Yes, like I mentioned in other videos, pretend you're answering this to a friend or maybe to a teacher or maybe to a family member. No, that's very very important. Don't be nervous. Don't talk too fast. Speak clearly. Remember, in the TOEFL, you're speaking into a microwave, into a microphone, not a microwave, a microphone. So keep that in mind. Yes. So if you, for example, are mumbling your words a little bit, the TOEFL testers won't understand what you're saying. So obviously, if they don't understand what you're saying, you will not score highly. Use simple transition words because, for example, also, yes. So these are important in this question, right? So you can use however, therefore, moreover. Yes, these are important transition words that TOEFL markers are looking for. So make sure you have one or two of them in your answer. Practice with a timer, 45 seconds goes by quickly. Yes. Remember, I mentioned in my previous videos, and I'm mentioning right now, please remember 45 seconds goes by quickly. Okay, so you have to make sure that you provide your answer within the time. Don't memorize full answers, but do practice similar questions. Yes, so I had one subscriber ask me about this, and he wanted to know what did I mean about memorizing. Yes, okay. Well, on different websites, you will get a lot of questions, or maybe 20 common task one questions, right? So a lot of times students memorize, right? So it's not really a good strategy, because some you will memorize better and others you will memorize maybe worse, right? It's not going to be equal. So, and you'll feel stressed out, right? So it's better instead to follow a structure, no? So, for example, state your on all your answers, state the preference, right? Um, give a reason, give an example, give a reason, give an example, give a personal experience, an anecdote. If you follow these concrete steps for all the questions, you'll feel confident for all the questions. So just practice using the structure and with all the questions that you practice on, right? So if you're memorizing, it's not really a good strategy. It just makes you nervous. And what if you get a question that you didn't memorize, right? So that's why it's not good to memorize. And most importantly, stay calm. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to be clear and organized. Yes, be organized, be clear, follow the EP um, template, and you will be fine, right? If you make maybe a small grammatical error, that's not a problem.